Hello, let's make a dal. I've got a biryani resting here in a pan, which you can see the tutorial on a different video. So delicious. And now I'm gonna make a dal, this lentil stew, so delicious, to be served with any kind of dish. You can add some vegetable to make it like a vegetable stew, but that's the base, the lentil dal. It's so good. So I'm just starting with a little bit of oil in a pan. Well, we're gonna need some turmeric. We're gonna need some cumin seed. So 1 teaspoon in the oil. This one is a nigella seed. Nigella seed. 1 teaspoon. And we're gonna let those seeds fry. In the meantime, we're gonna chop a mild, medium green chili, not too strong. Then you can put a strong chili if you want to. Let's chop that in small slice. With it, this is a big onion, so I'm just gonna use half of it. Let's dice the onion. Here I got a little bit of ginger, teaspoon as well. I'm keeping mine in the freezer, so whenever I need it, I cut a slice. Chopped it as well. That goes with it. So we're gonna use 100 grams of the red split lentils. That's gonna start frying now. And in the lentils, 1 teaspoon of turmeric. It's just start popping. Let's add our onion, ginger, and chili. And let's cook that off together. Reduce the heat so it's not burning. Toast it a bit. So now the onion and chili has softened. We're gonna add the turmeric and the lentils. And next, a liter of hot water. And now we're gonna let it cook, simmer all the way through until all the lentils has drank all the water. It has reduced and has a stew consistency. Bit of salt, black pepper. There you go, guys. Most of the water has evaporated. It's nice and mushy. Let's pour it into a bowl. Smell really good. My version of a dal. So good. Mm. It feels so healthy. Mm. Yeah, you could put like little piece of carrots, cauliflower, cabbage. It'd be good. Enjoy.